Hello and welcome to this video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your own AI system, your own AI bot into TradingView so we can basically trade for you and you just have to sit back and like it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It works. It works and it's crazy that it works. So this is what you want to do. You want to create an indicator just like this one. This is the one I'm using. This is the one I have, and it's set to indicators or systems right here. So what you want to do, and also you can press on these three buttons right here, and you can add alert, and the alert will be sent to you in your email. You can automate this, so you can connect your broker to TradingView, and you can have it take trades by itself. But because I'm using it on a high time frame on a daily, I don't need to do that. So I don't recommend that you do that as well because it takes like 5 minutes of your day to enter a trade or so. And the good thing with higher time frame, uh, it's like swing trading. This is like long-term investing. This is what I'm doing is because you don't have to stress when you get an email. When you get an email and the system tells you this is where you need to buy, this is where you need to sell, this is where you take profit, right? You don't need to run to the computer because you're outside having doing groceries. Because it's on the daily candle, you can take your time and come sit next to the computer and take your profits. All right. So if you go to ChatGPT, the first thing you want to do, you want to press on this, right? And you want to find TradingView. I already found it, but it might. It's called TradingView. This is it. TradingView Indicator and Strategy Developer. It creates your strategy for TradingView, right? You can see that it's 300,000 people are using it, and you can be a part of the people that are using it. So on TradingView, what do? You go to the TradingView indicator and you say, right, I'm just gonna make it simple for you. You can see what I'm writing. A simple strategy for me for TradingView for presentation purposes. I don't know how to spell it. Doesn't matter. Simple AMA crossover strategy. So we take this code. This is the code that it writes for us. And this is what we do. We copy the code and we enter it inside. This is what on TradingView, you go to indicators and you go to my scripts and you go to create script. In the create script section, let me remove myself from this area. I think strategy pine. You just insert it here and you add the chart and you see what happens. There's a problem. Script must be contain one declaration statement, indicator, strategy. Okay. And you have an error. Every time you have error, this is what you do. You copy the error, you paste it into TradingView. What should I do? I'm just going to make it simple so you know what to do. TradingView reviews the very first Pinterest indicator. Right. How to fix it. See, it's so simple. Add this the first in the real line. If you are building a strategy, we are building a strategy, not an indicator, because the strategy tells us what to buy, when to sell. Okay. Save script. My strategy. You save it. Script must contain one declaration statement. What does that mean? All right, I'm using this. Okay. just show me a copy paste version that I just can insert into Pine script. So it's going to create everything for me right now. I'm just doing it live for you so you can see the work progress. So you can see if the same thing happens from your part, you can just learn from this also. You can refresh again, and there you go. There you go. I just created my own strategy using TradingView, using ChatGPT. Okay, you can close down the strategy, my strategy it's called, right? So if I go to the indicators right now, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to use the indicators right now, and you can see that my strategy is right here. This is my strategy I just created in a couple of minutes. And in this, this is what it's created. See here? This is what the crossover created. I can close the strategy, and I can see if I use this strategy, it's going to give me 11% of it, right? And you can see the list of trades that it's going to make me take. And you can just change it to make it, change it to different, see, you change it to symbols, and this is where I'm going to just jump to the simple. This is working on NQ, right? I'm working on it on NQ, and over a yearly period, it can give me a 3% or $337, right? Right? I'm choosing NQ right here. I can choose different symbols, and I can see how much it's going to give me on different symbols in percentages, right? And when I use different symbols, let's go to NASDAQ. You can just press on these three buttons right here, because this is the strategy I'm using, not this one. This is the strategy I'm using. You can just press on these um, three buttons right here, and you can add alert to it. And when you add alert to it, as I said before, it can send you an email on where to buy and where to sell. See? Where to buy and where to sell. And you can change the properties also. You can change the percentages. You can change how many percent you're taking. See, you're changing the settings of it inside I just close it down. Inside the strategy, you're changing. There you go. I want it here. You're changing how much profits you want to take. You're changing how much losses you want to take. You're changing how much you want to risk. You're changing how much you want to take in profits. And you're adjusting it to make it fit your needs. That's basically how it works. That's a short explanation of how you can connect and build and create your own AI system, indicator, system strategy you can use for it to work for you. So the better you build it, the more money you're making, the more you're not sitting next to the chart anymore. All right, hope this was helpful. Sorry about the late about the error that happened, but you can learn from that also. Have an amazing day and ask me questions if you need to.